Welcome to Geekbuying. Today we'd like to introduce you an easy way to make money online, our in-house affiliate program. Making money is as easy as 3 simple steps. First, go to affiliate.geekbuying.com and sign up if you don't have an account and fill in the blanks. Second, build your own affiliate links. Go to custom tracking links, bulk links creator, copy the products links you want to promote here, generate custom links. You can either copy from here or download the CSV files to get the affiliate links. Third, share your affiliate links to your friends on social media channels, deal websites, or forums. Once you got a purchase, you will get at least a 5% commission on each sale. Why you should choose Geekbuying's in-house affiliate program? I'm glad you asked. Because we offer a massive selection of quality products with unbeatable prices. Your friends are gonna love it. We have an extra $5 bonus for each in-house member once you've joined successfully. You can even withdraw it once you've reached our minimum $35 threshold. There are no taxes on your commission at all, and we transfer cash to your bank, your PayPal, or your Payoneer. This is a much more convenient pay program in comparison to other leading affiliate platforms such as Amazon, Shopee, Wish, and so on. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more about our in-house affiliate program, please check the links in the description. The earlier you join, the more you earn. See you there.